Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you 5 best free of cost video editor for Windows, Mac and Linux. So without further more delay, let's begin. So on the first list we have the OpenShot. So just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for the application name as OpenShot, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now here you can see a download option. As you can see here, download option. When you click on it, it will take you to the download page. So here you can see our different download options available for Linux, Chrome OS, OS X, that is Mac OS, even for Windows, and even if you need a source code, there is available. Since it is an open source software, so there is no any paid version, so it is totally free of cost. So you firstly download depending upon what operating system you are using right now in your respective computer. Then after that, just open or run the software. So opening the application for the first time, you will see this kind of user interface. So you can see the layout. So I'm not going to discuss much about what are the features it's providing, since it will provide almost every options that a video editor must have. So you can see on the left side a panel, so where you can drag and drop the videos. So just give me I will give you a little example. Say I have a video, you can just drag and drop here, and after that you can just see thumbnails below here, like most of the common video editors, and you can just drag it below and you can start editing everything. You can cut, you can trim, you can edit, you can modify whatever you like. So I will not discuss much about what are the features it provides, so you can check it out by yourself about its functions and features it's provide to you. So on the second list we have the Canon Live. So once again, open any web browser and in the Google search just search for the application name as Canon Live, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. So now you can see its official website. So just below here you can see a download option. Just click on it. Now here you will see a tons of installer that is for Linux, Windows, and even if you're using a Mac computer, then you can see your options Mac OS, and you can see your Mac ports. You can just click on it and visit to your respective websites. So if you're using any one of this operating system, you can download depending upon which operating system you are using in your respective computer. So firstly you download and install it. Then after that, just open or run the software. So on opening the software for the first time, you can see this kind of user interface. It is much similar to the Adobe Premiere Pro, and you can use it for professional purpose also, since it will provide much more options than the first one which I have shown you earlier. So it is also a little similar than the earlier one. So you can see on the left panel the blank area where you can drag and drop the videos. So just give you example, say you can just drag and drop the videos and you can just pull it down to the thumbnails and you can start editing your respective videos. So once again, here I'm not going to discuss what are the features it's going to provide to you. So after using, you can check out what are the features it is providing and what are the advantages of using this free of cost softwares. So definitely ought to check it out by yourself. So on the third list we have the shortcut. So once again, open any web browser and in the Google search just search for the application name as shortcut, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website. Now you can see here, click to download. Just click on it. Now it will take you to download options. So here you can see it's available for Linux, Mac OS, Microsoft Windows, and if you want more Linux distros, then you can go to all to find out more download options for different Linux distros. Now you can choose any one of it and download your respective software for your respective operating system that you are using in your computer. So firstly download and install it. Then after that, just open or run the application. Now you can see this kind of user interface, much more similar than the earlier one just few minutes ago which I have shown you, just like the Canon Live. So it's also much more similar. So you can see here, you can just drag and drop your video and below you can see our thumbnails just like the earlier one. So let me show you a little example. You can just drag and drop the video here, a file, and you can just pull it down in the thumbnail, and you can start editing like the earlier video editors. So here also I'm not going to discuss much about the features like before, so you can check out by yourself what are the features that are providing inside this video editor. So definitely check it out by yourself. So on the fourth list we have the Olive video editor. So once again, open any web browser, and in the Google search for the application name as Olive video editor, and on the first list you will see its official website. Now you can see here just below it, get Olive, just click on it. Now here you will see different platforms that you can download. So if you're using a Windows, then you can just select a Windows. If you're using a Mac, then you can select your Mac, and if you're using a Linux computer, then you can download the Linux versions. So firstly you download your respective platforms applications, and after that just open or run the software. So on opening the software for the first time, you can see this kind of user interface. So it's more similar to the Canon Live which I have shown you earlier. So similarly, what you can do is just you can drag and drop the video on the left panel here, and after that just drag it down to the thumbnails, and now you can start editing depending upon your needs. So like before, I'm not going to discuss the features that it's going to provide to you, so you can check out by yourself what are the features it's providing and what more advantage you can have by using this free of cost video editor. So definitely check it out by yourself. So on the fifth list we have the Windows Movie Maker for Windows, Video Editor for Windows 10 and above, and PTV for Linux, and iMovie for Mac OS. So just open any web browser, and in the Google search just search for the application Windows Live Movie Maker, and you will see a tons of websites. So just scroll down below and you can see here a website from PileHippo. Just click on it and you can see here Windows Live Movie Maker. So you can see on the right side, download the latest version. So firstly you download and install it on your respective Windows computer. Then after that just open or run the software. So you can see this kind of user interface for the Windows Movie Maker, which is mainly available for the Windows computer only. So it's a very simple video editor, but it will do most of the basic tasks for you, just like cutting, editing, and doing some basic editing for your respective videos. So it's mostly exclusive only for the Windows computer. So if you're using a Mac computer, then there is a inbuilt video editor named as iMovie software, which comes preloaded with every Mac OS computer. So you can see this kind of user interface when you just open the iMovie video editor on your respective Mac OS computers. So this is also exclusive only for the Mac OS. So if you're using a Linux, then there is one exclusive software for you. So like Windows and Mac OS, there is one exclusive video editor only available for the Linux, that is named as PTV. So you can see this kind of user interface once you use the PTV applications in your respective Linux computers. So these three are exclusive for their respective operating system, and there is one more inbuilt video editor. If you're using a Windows 10, then you can just head over to the start menu and just search for the one application named as Video Editor. So there is one inbuilt video editor for the Windows 10 running computers. You can just click on it and you can see your new video project. Just click on it. Now it will ask you to give your video project name. I'll just keep it as it is. Now you can see, like the most video editor, you can just drag and drop the video files here, and after that you can just bring it to the storyboard or the thumbnail similar to the any video editor, and you can start editing, like adding a title, trimming or splitting, or adding a text motions or 3D effects, filters, and even you can increase the speeds of the video or decrease the speeds of your video. So this is how you can edit everything with a free of cost video editors for Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So these are the 5 best free of cost video editor for Windows, Mac and Linux. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.